Hey guys, doing a test fit on the Fender. Finishing up the Bondo, did the third coat, sanded it. I think we're good enough to prime now. And just coming out here do the test fit on the Fender. It's lining up pretty good. Gaps are pretty good. Check it out. It's kind of like the Fender just slides in now, especially like I say at the bottom, but really everywhere. It's pretty sweet. Hey guys, Saturday, March 5. We're in Michigan. We hit above 50 today, guys. What the heck? In March, 1st of March. Out here priming my Fender. Check it out, guys. I'm going to show you the old patch that I cut out, and then you'll be able to see how it fits in the new one. Here you go, guys. Here's the old one. That's the old one. I was mostly going over the rust hole right here is what I was trying to address, but of course, blowout, rust. This car's a Montana car, but you know, hey, 50 years old. That's the patch panel welded in that you can't tell where it is anymore. And this is, you know, how that goes. Side by side, new versus old right there, guys. This one originally was in that area. We'll let this sucker dry.
Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head. That didn't hurt.
Hey guys, Sunday morning. Thought I would show you the Fender progress. You might hear the windstorm outside. Let's see, we got this thing painted yesterday when the weather was good. Now we got a windstorm, but threw it on the car loose, and we'll show you the gaps. So here we go, guys. Not bolted down or anything. I'll pull it back later and bolt it in and all that, but it's just slapped on here a minute. Once again, same as you've seen before, the lower gaps are awesome. That'll be adjusted different. The repair area is looking pretty good. I got one little high spot right there, but I think I'm gonna just let her go and move on. Overall, the primer went really well. It's cured now. I can wet sand, and should work out well. I think on episode 1 I talked about this, 1 or 2, but I am gonna try to bring the door in here a little tighter and kind of how that plays into the gap on the top end here. So I am going to mess with that, and I got to throw some kind of paint over this white primer up here, and then duct tape under here for slidability, for adjustment. I find that works real well. Right now this is just stuck here temporary. Basically threw it up here to dry yesterday. It's fully dry now. But yeah, I was gonna fabricate something here, but I need to street drive it this season, so I think I'll just throw the headlight doors back on it, even though they're like 5 pounds, but whatever. So anyways, wet sanding next, and primer went on well. Get out there and work on your car.